Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate USAA Auto Glass Claim Scheduling online, full guide step by step clearly. To activate a USAA Auto Glass Claim Scheduling online, start by visiting the official USAA website. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Navigate to the auto insurance section of the website. Look for the option to file a claim. Select the Auto Glass Claim option. Follow the prompts to enter your vehicle information. Provide details about the glass damage, including the location and extent. If you have a repair shop in mind, note that information as well. After filling in all required fields, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the claim request. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for further details regarding your claim. You may also receive a follow-up call from USAA representatives. Keep an eye on your account for updates on your claim status. If you need assistance at any point, the customer service number is available on the website. Make sure to have your USAA member number ready when calling. With these steps, you can successfully activate your USAA Auto Glass Claim Scheduling online. Now you're on your way to getting your auto glass repaired efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.